This is WORxK Global News. Today, we highlight a critical development in professional resilience. In today's high-stakes work environments, from emergency services to executive leadership, success isn't just about mental toughness. Experts are now emphasizing the importance of managing the body's physiological response to stress. When stress triggers the sympathetic nervous system, cortisol and adrenaline surge, potentially leading to burnout and impaired decision-making. Organizations are teaching employees techniques like physiological decoupling to maintain clarity under pressure. One effective tool gaining attention is the 4-7-8 breathing method. By inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8, professionals can reset their stress levels, improving focus and executive function in moments of friction. Equally important is interoception, the ability to sense the body's internal state. Employees trained in this skill can recognize early stress cues, implementing brief micro-restoration breaks before pressure escalates. For professionals navigating career pivots, these strategies allow for calm authority in interviews and networking, projecting confidence beyond technical skill alone. This has been WORxK Global News, keeping you informed on strategies that strengthen both individuals and organizations in today's demanding work landscape.